Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a 5-minute body stretching routine. Great to do in the morning, but also if you'd like to do it in the evening to just calm the system down, ready for bed, this is a great one too. So first things first, I like to stand nice and straight, shoulders nice and relaxed and slightly back, placing my hands onto my tummy and just very gently breathing in for 3. And then just hold that position so our core is then engaged. I'm placing my toes nicely splayed out so we've got plenty of surface area on the floor, but if you are wearing trainers that's fine too. So first of all let's just do a few gentle shoulder rolls, just working back, just starting to wake everything up. And 2 more times. And then let's just go forward a couple of times as well. And then just finish going back. I do find that tends to reset the shoulder. So now let's just bend our knees and just gently with our arms come up. Just come down. Now you want to make sure that your knees are not going over your toes. If you like, you can go faster. And when you're bending down, you want to keep your back fairly straight. You don't want to be too hunched over. And 2 more times. And then release and just shake it out. So now we're going to do some side bends here. If you like, you can place your hand onto your hips first of all, on one hip, and then just take the other arm and just gently stretch to the side. Now you don't want to be moving your hip out, so by keeping fairly straight on the leg and just getting a really gentle stretch. And then on the other side, coming all the way over. And then to the other side, breathing out as you come up, as you come down. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with oxygen to the area of the body. And again, big long stretch all the way out. Holding your tummy in, making sure everything's engaged. And come all the way back. So now let's just do some gentle twists. So literally taking our hand and coming across. And just gently twist side to side. Again, making sure that we're engaged in our tummy and that we're not too hunched over. And just do a few more of these. And 2 more times. And release. So now let's do some leg stretches. So I'm just going to place my legs slightly further apart and then just gently come to the side. Now again, you want to make sure that your knee is not going over your toes, and you can feel a nice stretch on the inner thigh here. Just hold that position. If you like, you can try to come forward. What you don't want to be doing is kneeling and putting pressure on the knee. So if you can, try to face forward, or even if you do have to face your foot, that's fine. But try not to put too much pressure by kneeling onto your knee here. Again, tummy nice and engaged. And then gently come up and switch legs again. Place our foot at an angle and just gently come down. Again, feeling that stretch in the thigh. Shoulders nice and relaxed, up nice and straight. And then come back up and just slowly, gently push the feet together. So we'll now do a little bit of calf stretching, if you like, just to stretch out those calves. So taking one foot in front of the other, placing one foot back, and then just gently bend the knee on the other leg. So you can feel a stretch on the calf here. And come back up. I'll show you another angle. One foot in front of the other. Gently come back. And just gently, slowly come forward. And you should feel a stretch on your calf. Hold that position. And just gently come up and shake it out. So let's finish off with a nice neck stretch. Obviously, if you have issues with your neck, please don't do this, and also consult your doctor. But if you can, we just very gently look down. Again, tummy nice and engaged, back nice and straight. Come up, and then just very carefully look the other way. One way to the side. Come back up, all the way to the other side. And then we'll finish off with the arm. So we'll just take our arm out, place our thumb coming down, palm facing towards, say, the other angle, the wall, if you like. Come across, and then just place your hand between the elbow and your hand, and just pull it to. And if you want a deeper stretch, you can just slightly look at over the opposite arm. And slowly, gently come down. Again, hand out, with your palm out, thumb down. Just come very carefully across the chest. And then you can hold this position. And if you want a deeper stretch, just gently look across the shoulder here. And head back and just gently shake it out. So I hope you enjoyed today's little easy-going, gentle stretches. Again, great for the morning, but if you like, you can do this in the evening as well. It's a really great all-over body stretch. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also thumbs up. Tell me what you thought of the video, and tell me where you're from, and comment down below if there's anything else you'd like me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.